Hey everybody, thank you for tuning in. If you're here for the first time or the second time and you still haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, okay? That's the first thing you have to do. And remember to hit the notification bell also. Today I'm gonna unbox this packet here, which I just got it a few weeks back. Um, I'm not getting enough time to make videos nowadays, so it's been 2 weeks. I haven't uploaded anything else. Still I'll be a little busy, so but in a few weeks time I'll be free. I mean not free, but get some enough time, so I'll start making videos that time. But this one I just want to make this one here in between. So here, this is the packet. I've got few more packets already which I've got it, but I have to open them also. Okay, so that's the packet, and let me just cut this down. Okay, I got this from Saurav Agrawal. Okay, if you know him, then you might be familiar with his name. He's quite active in social media, so you can find it. Okay, that's the second packet. Let me just tear this up. Wow, what is this? Uh, why does 100 rupees here? I'm surprised. Let me see. Ah, hey Saurav, why does 100 rupees in this packet? You haven't informed me anything. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, there are two coins there. I like this one. I'm so happy to have this. That's the second one. Okay, so this one is an American dollar, and this one is, I don't know which one I ordered, but this 1994. And what is in this? Anyway, I think I've ordered 3 coins. Yeah, I ordered 3 coins, and there are only 2 coins, so maybe he must have returned this. Anyway, I've already got this a few weeks back. I haven't opened it, so I forgot what else I've ordered, so I'll have to go check it out and find out why there's 100 rupees here. Anyway, I will make another videos on these 2 coins, separate how much I paid and what is the value there. So please subscribe and hit the notification bell to see those videos, because I'm curious about this 100 rupees, so that's why. Okay, so I'll see you next time, guys. Please subscribe and be a part of the channel, okay, and share in your social media. And what else you can do? Give a thumbs up, yeah, and okay, do whatever you can. Okay, right now I'm just confused because of this 100 rupees, so I'll catch you up there. I'll see you later. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, guys, Thank you for watching.